After many failed attempts, will this be the one that I make the breakthrough? Let's wait and see. So compared to the other ones, this race is much more difficult because I need to be aware of the height limit. You're basically in a parking lot or something of that sort, which means I can't just dodge things by going up because I'm gonna hit the ceiling, and that counts for more damage. So it's limiting me in terms of how much I can push on the throttle, which has been a difficult experience, to endure so far. So it's quite like a tight experience so far because I need to keep the speed in check in order not to lift the drone up so high to hit the ceiling. And this is not good. This is not good because I'm damaging the drone. I don't know in real life if I'm gonna go walk away with such a hit because probably the propellers are broken or something. But I think this is a cine hoop. So cine hoop, yeah, cine hoop. So basically, the propellers might not get destroyed from such. Okay, this one, this might be damaging. So still able to fly, but if you're able to listen carefully to the sound, it changes anytime it hits something, and kind of like the motors are a little bit, either working more than they should or something of that sort, or they are not working properly. Hooray! Managed to get it done. And I think this is the fastest I've been able to do in all the steps so far, which is good progress.